have a loser boyfriend.
Yep.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Yeah?
Mhm.
I like your hair.
Mhm.
Mine looks better. I fixed mine. Yeah, I'm recording. So what?
What the fuck?
Didn't do anything.
You bit the fuck out of my neck.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I see no mark. I did not bite you. You can at least look.
And get shot to shit.
What was it? Metro 2033?
Yeah. Oh, fuck this shit.
I'm using my controller. You have a lot of crap in your room. A lot of cans.
No shit.
You need to clean your room.